previous class we came to know about two characters, Jace Wons, who is the central character in the topic, and another person was Luz Long, who was a German athlete. So they both were going to compete each other, but what was the difficulty on the part of Jace Wons को मुख्य असुविधा कौन थिला? Actually at first I told you he was specialized in sprint and long jump, and he expected to win 4 medals for his country, or he expected to win gold medals for his country. ତାଙ୍କର कंट्री ପାଇଁ ସେ स्वर्ण पदक जितवा ପାଇଁ ଲକ୍ଷ୍ୟ ନେଇ ଆସିଥିଲେ ଜର୍ମାନୀ को. And when he saw Luz Long, who was from Germany, he got shocked because he was more, or he was taller than him, and it was too difficult task to compete against the person Luz Long. But what was going to happen, we will come to know throughout the discussion. We are moving to the next unit. An angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistakes. As any coach will tell you, I was no exception. On the first of my 3 qualifying jumps, I left from several inches beyond the takeoff board for a nose jump. On the second jump, I was even worse. Did I come 3000 miles for this? I thought bitterly. To fall in the trials and make a fool of myself. So, the first round for long jump had come to the person Jace Wons, and he was there to compete in the long jump. So he got shocked when he saw a taller person as compared to him. Name of that person was Luz Long, who was from Germany, and he was going to compete Jace Wons. से थिले जेस वन को सहित कम्पिट करबा पई, एंड मु तांको संपर्क रे मु पूर्व क्लास रे तुमको कहिछि जे व्हाट काइंड ऑफ एथलीट ही वाज. से बहुत रिकॉर्ड भी करथिले, एंड आल्सो आई डिस्कस्ड अबाउट द पर्सन जेस ओन्स, how he practiced himself to come to take part in this Olympic or in that Olympic in the year 1936. So, anger is the worst enemy of an athlete. राग बा क्रोध होची गोटे एथलीट रो गोटे बहुत बड़ शत्रु. When you are going to compete with someone, and if you are going to take part in any kind of event, it is wonderful spirit what that you will have to control your anger. You will have to show your coolness when you are going to compete with someone. जदि जनक सहित आम प्रतियोगिता करूँ ताले we will have to control our emotions, thoughts and other qualities. We should never show our anger to others, and if we do the same, then we will have to face difficulties. But here how the person just once controlled his anger and how he managed his क्वालिफाइंग राउंड ऑफ लॉन्ग जंप वी विल कम टू नो. ए राउंड रे आम जानिबा बा ए यूनिट रे आम जानिबा जे क्वालिफाइंग राउंड रे से किभଳି भाबरे असुविधा रे पड़िथिले, तांकर असुविधा कोन हेतिला, एंड हाउ वेदर ही वाज एबल टू क्वालिफाई इन द फाइनल राउंड और नॉट इन द लॉन्ग जंप. और लॉन्ग जंप रे से क्वालिफाइंग राउंड रे क्वालिफाई करिक आगो को गले ना कटि गले से विषय आम जानिबा, एंड व्हाट वाज द कंप्लीट इवेंट वी विल कम टू नो. So here my point is that an angry athlete is an athlete who will make mistakes. जी अधिका रोग माने राग बा क्रोधर शिकार हुए, he or she never performs better as compared to the other. So long jump ro आसी जाइथिला qualifying round, and if you qualify in the qualifying round, then you will go to the final round, and then you will have to complete there for the medals. But before that, one more thing it is added here, that you will have to qualify in the qualifying round. You will be given 3 opportunities, you will be given 3 chances, and in between 3 chances से 3 चांस भितर गोटे चांस रे तुमको क्वालिफाई करिवार अछि लॉन्ग जंप रो मेन राउंड को. and if you are not able to qualify in the final round, then you will not be able to you will not be selected in the final round, and you cannot compete in the gold medal, or you cannot compete for the gold medal. So here is the story started for the person Mr. Jace Wons. So he has written here, on the first of my 3 qualifying jumps, I left from several inches beyond the takeoff board. I told you that they are given 3 chances. सेमानकु 3टी चांस दिया जाए, 3टी चांस भीतर तांको क्वालिफाई करबा पड़े. सो व्हाट वाज और व्हाट हैपेंड इन द वेरी फर्स्ट चांस, कौन घटितला प्रथम चांस रे इन द क्वालिफाइंग राउंड रे. I leapt from several inches beyond the takeoff board for a long no jump. Actually he was disqualified in the very first opportunity or प्रथम chance रे कोन हेतिला he leapt several inches beyond the takeoff board ठारू से किछि inches behind मध्यरे बा beyond बोल कहले मध्यरे से डेइथिले जोटा कि it was declared that it was no jump. So so the first chance was gone. It was going to be the second chance for the person Jace Bones, and if he doesn't qualify in the second round, then he will be given one more chance. The third chance he was bound to qualify. So what happened in the second jump? प्रथम जंप रे से किछि इंचेस शॉर्ट थिले. द्वितीय राउंड रे बा द्वितीय जंप रे कोन हला द्वितीय अपॉर्चुनिटी द्वितीय सुযোগ रे से कोन कले. On the second jump I was even worst. So in the second chance he performed very badly. So now the dream of the person just once was going to be completely destroyed. He thought himself, did I come 3000 miles for this? ମୁଁ କ'ଣ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି 3000 miles ବା 3000 miles ମୁଁ କ'ଣ ଏଥିପାଇଁ ଆସିଛି? I thought bitterly means just once ବହୁତ ଦୁଃଖର ସହିତ ସେ ଭାବୁଛନ୍ତି to fail in the trials and make a fool of myself. So he thought to fail in the trials and make a fool of myself. ଯଦି ମୁଁ ଏଇ ରାଉଣ୍ଡରେ କ୍ୱାଲିଫାଇ କରି ନ ପାରେ ତାହେଲେ I will be declared as a fool here. So the confidence was getting down. The confidence of the person just once was getting down, and he was facing difficulties to perform and to do much better in his specialized event. So what happened in the next paragraph? Walking a few yards from the pit, I kicked disgustedly. Birakti karo. The meaning of disgustedly अर्थ होची बिरक्ति करो. So it was his failure, complete failure. It was actually there were two chances he was given, but unfortunately he was not able to qualify in the first two chances. So it was going to be the final chance and last opportunity for the person Jace wants to qualify into the final round of the long jump. So long jump होतला final round. So what happened? I kicked disgustedly at the ground. Suddenly I felt a hand on my shoulder. So it was going to be the final round, final chance for the person Jace wants. And in the meantime, somebody came, an unknown person came to him and felt that the person Jace wants अनुभव कले जे somebody was there, and he put his shoulder, he put his hand on Jace one's shoulder. तांकर बाहु बा कांध पाखरे जणे आसिक हाथ पकेला माने हाथ देवार फील हैला काकू Jace one's को. So then I turned to look into the friendly blue eyes of the tall German long jumper, and he felt that who was behind him तांका पछरे किए थिले लूज लॉन्ग, to whom he feared. से जाक डरुथले Jace one's डरुथले लूज लॉन्ग को जे थिले जर्मन रो एथलेट से बोधे तांकू काटी कि से आगो अधिका मेडल नै जिवे आ से डरुथले तांकर डेंगा लोक माने डेंगा तांकर शरीर देखि कि से डरुथले. But what happened? He felt someone was there, and that person put his hand on Jace one's shoulder, and he felt that it was, or that person was किए से थिले जर्मन एथलेट लूज लॉन्ग, and he had come to Jace one's to motivate him. So तांकू प्रेरणा देवा पाई लूज लॉन्ग आसीथिले Jace one's को पाकू तांकू मोटिवेट करबा पाई. I turned to look into the friendly blue eyes. आ जेतेबेले से पछकू बुली देखिले से थिले जर्मन लॉन्ग जंपर. He had easily qualified for the finals on his first attempt. So in the very first attempt, the person Luz Long was qualified into the final round. Final round को से qualify already करी गले प्रथम chance रही. But the person Jace once had committed a huge mistake, and he was under pressure, and he was not able to show his spirit, and he was angry. But when you are going to compete with someone, you will have to control your emotions, thoughts and anger. It is very essential thing. तुम रोगो तुमरो रागो क्रोध को तुम्हें कंट्रोल करी रखियो पड़िबो. Attempt, he offered me a firm handshake. Then the person Jace Owens was there. Luz Long came to him and offered him a firm handshake. तांकू हैंडशेक करवा को से ऑफर कले किए लूज लॉन्ग. So the new friendship was going to be created. an unknown relationship was going to be created between two strangers. लूज लॉन्ग जेसवंश को जान नथिले, जेसवंश लूज लॉन्ग को जान नथिले, लूज लॉन्ग जेसवंश को जान नथिले. But during that event, they both were going to create friendship. So at first he came and put his hand on the shoulder of Jeswons, and Jeswons felt that that was Luz Long, and then he offered firm handshake to Jeswons. So now they both were going to be introduced to each other. ସେମାନେ ପରସ୍ପରଙ୍କୁ introduce ହେଲେ. So when he got failed in his two attempts, he kicked disgustedly at the ground. जोटा मु कहली जे विरक्तिकर भाव नर्भस होकर से कौन करते ग्राउंड को किक करते that it was his complete failure, and he didn't even know whether he would be able to qualify into the final round or not, because only one chance was left for the person, Jace Bones. And then who came? Luz Long, the German athlete, came to him and he motivated him after giving or after offering him a firm handshake. So they both were going to be introduced each other. परस्पर को जानिबा को चाहिए. Jace Bones told to Luz Long, Jace Bones and I am Luz Long. I don't think we have met. So they both started talking. So I don't think we have met. He spoke English well, though with a German twist to it. So here it's another story I would like to mention before you, that the formal conversation between Luz Long and Jace Bones was going to be started. Jace Bones said, Luz Long said to Jace Bones, I am Luz Long. I don't think we have met. से कहते मुझे Luz Long आ मु भावुची आमे आगुरु मिसी ना हूँ. So and he was speaking in English language, or he spoke English language, and there was some German twist. That means German twist रे किसी English language से कहते. It was not complete English language, but he was just trying to speak English language, and he tried to speak English language कहया पे चेष्टा करथले with German twist. So then the conversation was going to be not going to be too much longer, but there was a formal conversation. Glad to meet you, I said, then trying to hide my nervousness. And the nervousness was shown on the face of Mr. Jace Bones, but before that he said to Luz Long, glad to meet you. खुशी लगे आपको भेटिकी. I said कि Jace Bones, by after hiding my nervousness, से तांकर nervousness को लुचेकी से कथा पे चेष्टा करथले. I added, how are you? Then he asked to the person, Luz Long, how are you? तुम्हें केमती अच्छो? I am fine. The question is, how are you? Then the reply came from the person, Luz Long, yes I am fine, but question is, how are you? तुम्हें किपरि अच्छो? What do you mean? I asked. तापर Luz Long को पचारुचंती Jace Bones, what do you mean? माने यार अर्थ कौन बोलिकर से पचारुचंती. देखो, then when the person Jace Bones already disqualified in the first two chances. It was going to be his final chance, and if you didn't qualify, he would not go to the next round, and he would not compete in the gold medal round. जोटी तांको कष्ट हेबा पई जाउतला. तो से टाइम रे कि आस्तिले one person, another athlete came to him and he tried to motivate him. तांको प्रेरणा देबा पई से चेष्टा करले. So प्रेरणा थिला कि भली, he said, समथिंग मस्ट बी इटिंग यू. तुमको किसी जिनस गोटे तुमको हैरान करुच्ची खाऊँच तुमको तुम भीतर लुचिक अच्छी बोल के कहते लूज लॉन्ग कहते जेस बोन्स को. लूज लॉन्ग होती जर्मन एथलेट, आउ जेस बोन्स होती अमेरिकार एथलेट जी आसी 3000 माइल्स टू विन द मेडल फॉर हिज कंट्री. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली द ड्रीम वाज गोइंग टू बी डिस्ट्रॉयड व्हेन ही गॉट फेल्ड in his two chances. Last chance थिला तांकर दुटी चांसेस से ऑलरेडी डिस्क्वालिफाई हो जाइछन्ती. जदि से फाइनल राउंड रे फाइनल चांस से क्वालिफाई न करंती, ही कैनॉट गो टू द फाइनल और गोल्ड मेडल राउंड. सो से समय आछन्ती लूज लॉन्ग तांको मोटिवेट करिया पई. ही सेड, प्राउड द वे फॉरेनर्स आर व्हेन दे हैव मास्टर्ड अ बिट ऑफ अमेरिकन स्लैंग, यू शुड बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई विथ योर आईज क्लोज्ड. So he motivated him in the way he said, proud the way foreigners are when they have mastered a bit of American slang. Man se कहउचंती you should be able to qualify with your eyes closed. Se कहउचंती you can easily qualify in the last chance, you should not be worried for that, you should not get worried for that. That is what who said. Ke koile kotha lose long koile kaku Jasons ku proud the way foreigners are when they have mastered a bit of American slang. That means you will have to forget all those American slangs, and then you will have to control your emotions and your anger. Then only you can easily qualify into the final round and you can compete there for gold medals. Believe me, I know it. I told him it felt good to say that to someone. For the next few minutes, we talked together. Believe me, I know it. I told him, and it felt good to say. I felt good to say. So Luz Long came to Jace wants to motivate him how he would be able to qualify into the final round. तापर कौन है शेष चांस केमती कौन है से विषय आम जाना दैट बिलीव मी आई नो इट सॉरी आई डिडंट टेल लॉन्ग व्हाट वाज eating me, but he seemed to understand my anger. So there was anger in the mind. There was anger in the mind of Jace Woods, and that is why he was not able to qualify into the final round. But through the discussion, through the conversation, Luz Long motivated him, and he came to know that what was there and what was eating to Mr. Jace Woods, and he took pains to reassure me. Although he had been schooled in the Nazi youth movement, he didn't believe in the Aryan supremacy business any more than I did. So he didn't he was mastered in Nazi youth movement, and he was his schooling was there in the Nazi youth movement, but he didn't believe the Nazi Aryan supremacy ideology. से तांकर आदर्श नाजी मानकर आदर्श को से मानु नथिले. तापरे they discussed a lot of things. बहुत जिनसे से डिस्कस करले. We loved over the fact that he really looked the part, though an inch taller than I. He had a lean, muscular frame, clear blue eyes. So the posture of the person and how he was looking, like it is mentioned by the writer Jace Woods, he was an inch taller, gote inch ढेंगा थिले, and then he had a lean, muscular frame, पतला एवं बहुत बड़ा बाहु विशिष्ट थिले, clear blue eyes, and his eyes were blue. He was looking fair, and he had fair hair, strikingly handsome, looking handsome face. Finally, seeing that I had calmed down somewhat, he pointed to the take-off board, and he showed to the person Jace Woods the take-off board, that it is your chance. You will have to qualify in this round, and there is nothing to be worried. You should forget your anger and the motivation, the confidence the person Jace Woods regained through Luz Long. Luz Long कर माध्यम रे से जानिबा को पाइले पासे मोटिवेटेड आउथरे हेले आउ से जाउथले कोठी आउथरे जंप नेवा पाए in his final chance. Look, he said, why don't you draw a line few inches at the back? I told you that he left some inches behind. किछि इंचेस पछरु से डेइथिले जा द्वारा से क्वालिफाई करि पार नथले इन द वेरी फर्स्ट टू चांसेस, प्रथम दुईटी चांस रे, and it was going to be his last chance. Look, he said, why don't you draw a line? So he suggested कि Luz Long suggested to Jace Woods को suggested कले, why don't you draw a line few inches at the back of the board, board ठारू किछि इंचेस behind तमे कोन करो जंप करो बोली कर से कहउछंती. Aim at making you take off, then take off from there. टिके पछकु जाइए लाइन निज गार टाणी आउ टिके आगु को जाई माने पछकु जाइए तमे जंप नियो आराम से. यू कैन इजिली क्वालिफाई बोल के सजेस्ट कले द पर्सन Jace Woods को सजेस्ट कले कि Luz Long, you will be sure not to foul, and there will be no foul if you took 2 inches behind. 2 inches पछकु पळै कि तमे जदी जंप नबो you can easily qualify. That is what who suggested? Luz Long suggested to Jace Woods, and you certainly ought to jump far enough to qualify, and you can jump far enough. अधिका तमे जंप करि परिबो if you draw or if you drew 2 inches behind. What does it matter if you are not fast in the trials? And there is no need to come fast in the trial rounds. It is bound to go into the final round or to qualify to the or into the final round. तुमको qualify करिवार अछि final round रे, सेथि पय you will have to, there is no competition in the trial round. Only thing you will have to do that you will have to qualify केवल करिवा पड़ो qualify round रे to compete for the gold medals. So एटा जिनस के सजेस्ट कले Luz Long सजेस्ट कले Jace Woods को किछि पछ इंचेस नहीं कि ड्रॉ कर लाइन तापर निजे तुम टेक ऑफ बोर्ड नियो तापर जंप करो देन यू विल बी एबल टू क्वालिफाई इनटू द फाइनल राउंड. देन नेक्स्ट paragraph, suddenly all the tension seemed to ebb out of my body as the truth of what he said hit me. So suddenly everything struck in the mind of James when he was suggested by Luz Long. Luz Long जहाँ जहाँ कथा कहले तांको माइंड रे भलो स्ट्राइक करला एंड ऑल द टेंशन जति जो टेंशन थिला तांको मन रे जो जोथि से त्रुटि देखा जाउतला से सब जिनस धोई गला बा से जिनस उभै गला इव आउट EBBOUT इव आउट कहले उभै जीवा एंड नाउ ही गॉट रेडी फॉर द फाइनल राउंड एंड फॉर द फाइनल चांस शेष सुजोग पाई से अपेक्षा रहिले एंड ही was looking too confident. Then he did as per the words said by Luz Long. Luz Long जेभली कहले से सेभली कहले and the person just once drew a line a full foot behind the board and proceed to jump from there. जेमती कहितले 2 इंच पछकु जाई कर नेवा पई तमर जंप he did the same and then later on whatever happened was known as history. जहा किसी घटिला तापर हिस्ट्री बोली कर जना पड़ला आई इतिहास ही जाइतला. इट वाज कन्वर्टेड इनटू हिस्ट्री. आई क्वालिफाइड विथ ऑलमोस्ट ए फुट टू स्पेयर. गोटे फुट छाड़ी की से क्वालिफाई करथिले अधिका गोटे फुट आउरी से डेम पड़थिले व्हिच वाज एक्चुअली फिक्स्ड फॉर द क्वालिफाइंग राउंड रे जति फिक्स करा दितला ताटू से अधिका गोटे स्टेप डेथिले एंड इट वाज एनफ टू क्वालिफाई इनटू द फाइनल राउंड. सो द motivation worked in this way as we came to know that when he was motivated and when he was in conversation with Luz Long. So just once एभली भाव क्वालिफाई करथिले तांकर फाइनल राउंड को बा गोल्ड मेडल राउंड को तांकर शेष सुजोग रे and if he got failed there he would not qualify into the final round, but it was happened and the person just once was succeeded due to Luz Long जे आउ जने कंपिटिटर थिला तांको सहित तांको जोगु he was able to qualify into the final round. से शेष सुजोग रे क्वालिफाई थिले गोल्ड मेडल राउंड को where he could compete gold medal or where he could compete for gold medal or to win gold medal for his country, and it was a perfect opportunity to make his country proud. तांकर देश को गर्वित कर शेष सुजोग से क्वालिफाई कले एंड व्हाट वाज गोइंग टू बी हैपन वी विल कम टू नो इन द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ पेज नंबर 54. So the trial round was finished. In the trial round you will be given 3 chances, and in this way the person Jace Wons was also given 3 chances, and in his very first 2 chances he got failed and he was not able to qualify into the final round. But in the last opportunity in the trial round he was not able to qualify, but after being motivated by Luz Long he qualified successfully into the gold medal round. और आमे कहि परिबा जेतेबेले से लूज लॉन्ग को ठारू प्रेरित हेले बा प्रेरणा पाइले प्रोत्साहित हेले उत्साहित होकर से कौन कले फाइनल राउंड से क्वालिफाई कले एंड ही वाज गोइंग टू कम्पीट फॉर द नेक्स्ट राउंड और ही वाज गोइंग टू कम्पीट फॉर द गोल्ड मेडल इन द नेक्स्ट राउंड बा फाइनल राउंड पूरा मेन राउंड को से आसी जाइतले वर्तमान. सो इट वाज सक्सीडेड ड्यू टू लूज लॉन्ग को जोगु सक्सेस होइतिला किबळी भाव रे दे बोथ वेर स्ट्रेंजर दिजन को अपरिचित थिले अजଣା थिले किंतु द पर्सन द स्पिरिट इट वाज शोन in Luz Long when he came to his competitor to motivate him because he was not able to qualify in the very first 2 chances. 2टा चांस रे जेतोले क्वालिफाई कर नथले पूर्व क्लास रे हमें पढिले जैसे कि बड़ी भाव रे लूज लॉन्ग आसी के तांको पाकू तांको मोटिवेट करले एंड हाउ ही हेल्प्ड हिम टू क्वालिफाई इन द वेरी लास्ट और चांस आम कह शेष सुजोग से किभली क्वालिफाई कले से विषय सब आम जानिले. वी आर मूविंग द नेक्स्ट पैराग्राफ. द नाइट आई वॉक्ड ओवर टू लूज लॉन्ग्स रूम इन द ओलंपिक विलेज टू थैंक हिम. सो इट वाज ए न्यू रिलेशनशिप वाज फॉर्म्ड देयर व्हेन लूज लॉन्ग हेल्प्ड वन ऑफ हिज कंपिटिटर जेस वोन्स को से जेतोले सहाय्य कले तांको से मोटिवेट कले जद्वारा से सक्सेसफुली क्वालिफाई करथिले. इन द नेक्स्ट इट वाज the responsibility and it was the duty of Jace Wons to thank his friend Luz Long. So in this chapter we will come to know that how that friendship was established between 2 strangers. They both were competitor in the same event but it was a very interesting story, and we came to know about two strangers formed a new relationship which is called friendship. गोटे बंधुतापूर्ण संपर्क सेमानक मध्यरे गठित होइतिला, and it was the duty of Jess wants to thank his friend Luz Long. एक कथा कह जायछि, a friend is need a friend indeed. विपदर बंधु ही प्रकृत बंधु. एक कथा कह जायछि, a friend in need is a friend indeed. सो एभली भाव में विपदर बंधु प्रकृत बंधु आज दुख सुख से छिड़ा था से हूँ प्रकृत बंधु. सो इन दिस वे द पर्सन Luz Long didn't think much about his competitor. He went towards him, he motivated him, he helped him, and in this way Jess once regained his confidence and he qualified into the next round, the main round, where he would qualify or where he would compete for gold medals and would like to make his country proud. तापरे कौन है then that night Jess once walked over to Luz Long's room in the Olympic Village to thank him. तांको धन्यवाद देवा पई से तांको रूम को गले कि Jess once गले Luz Long को घर को बा तांकर क्वार्टर को. I knew that if it had not been for him, I probably would not be jumping in the finals the following day. We sat in his quarters and talked for 2 hours about track and field, ourselves, the world situation, and a dozen other things. So, after being created or after being established friendship, the person Jess once went to Luz Long's room and he thanked him there, and they started discussion open different topics. So they sat together in the quarter of Luz Long, talked for 2 hours on पाखापाखि 2 घंटा पर्यंत कथा हेले about track and field and other facilities provided by their concerned governments. They discussed that and the world situation and a dozen other things. एभली बहुत गुरुत्वपूर्ण कथा विषय से माने डिस्कशन कले. When I finally got up to leave, we both knew that a real friendship had been formed, and after being departed from that place, Jess once came to know that a new relationship had been created and it was known as friendship. Luz would go out to the field the next day trying to beat me if he could, but I knew that he wanted me to do my best, even if that meant my winning. So, in this way, Luz Long helped one of his competitor to go to the next round or to the main round. Then in the next morning it was going to be the final round was going to be held, and there they both would compete in the same event. So तापर कौन है माने से नेक्स्ट दिन सकाळ को से जाइथिले आ से मानकर से सेम इवेंट थिला जो लॉन्ग जंप सेटर से मेन राउंड से माने मेडल पाई कंपीट करबार थिला सिटी कौन हैला. बट आई न्यू दैट ही वांटेड मी टू डू माय बेस्ट, एंड ही वांटेड दैट हाउ द पर्सन Luz Long would do his level best. से किभली भलो परफॉर्मेंस करिवे से प्रति ध्यान दउतले कि Luz Long, even if that meant my winning. मु जीतु बोली कर से चाहूतले Jess once जीतंतु बोली कर Luz Long चाहूतले. As it turned out, Luz broke his own past record. In doing so, he pushed me on to peak performance. So it was the chance for Luz Long, and he performed fast because it was his chance, and he broke all his past records. तांकर अतीतर थिवा सब रेकॉर्ड को भंग कले से मेन राउंड रे, and then he came to the person Jess once and suggested Jess once to peak performance, to a peak performance, सबुठ उच्च परफॉर्मेंस करबा पे से तांकर संग को सजेस्ट कले बा प्रेरणा देले. I remember that at the instant I landed from my final jump, that one which set the Olympic record of 26 foot 5.1 by 4 inches. So after that the chance came for the person Jess once, and he landed from his final jump, the one which set the Olympic record of 26 feet 5.1 by 4 inches. एभली भाव से गोटे रेकर्ड कले आउ तांकर अतीतर थिवा समस्त रेकर्ड से भी भंग कले, and he landed a record of 26 feet 5.1 by 4 inches. एभली गोटे तांकर जंप थिला. He was at my side, and the person Luz Long was there behind Jess once to congratulate him. तांको शुभेच्छा जणाइले for his peak performance. So we should never forget the motivation by the person Luz Long towards Jace wounds, and it helped him to perform much better as compared to the other. Despite the fact that Hitler glared at us and Hitler was closely watching them, ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କୁ ଭଲ ଭାବେ ଦେଖୁଥିଲେ କିଏ? Hitler, who was the ruler there. As I told you in the previous classes, ମୁଁ ଆଗରୁ କହିସାରିଛି ପୂର୍ବ କ୍ଲାସ୍ରେ ହିଟଲର ଥିଲେ ସେଠିକାର ଶାସକ ଆଉ ସମସ୍ତେ ତାଙ୍କ ଅଣ୍ଡରରେ ରହୁଥିଲେ and everybody was in fear of Hitler, and Hitler wanted that his athletes should win the medals for his country only, and in this way the power will be shown throughout the world. The ruler Adolf Hitler. So Glerman Chahiba, Glare, Glerman Chahiba, glared at us from the stands not 100 yards away. So say अति closely तांको देखुतले. Luz shook my hand hard, but Luz didn't fear Hitler and he shook Jeswon's hand hard. बहुत जोर से handshake करतले, and it was the way to congratulate someone, and it was happened due to Luz Long. Luz Long को जोगु से success होइतले, and he broke his own record, and he also broke the record of Luz Long. किए भांगितले record? Jeswons भांगितले निजोर record एवं Luz Long को record भी भांगितले. It was not fake smile with a broken heart sort of grip either, and it was not the fake smile coming from the person Luz Long when he congratulated one of his friend or one of his competitor Jace Wons. So it another fake smile. Actually he was happy for the performance of mine, more performance रे से खुशी थिले. And then in the next paragraph, you could melt down all the gold medals and cups I have, and winning medal is not that much important as per the language said by the person Jace Wons. You could melt down all the gold medals and cups I have, and they would not be plating on the 24 karat friendship I felt for Luz Long at the moment. So that means it is said here, when you have some wonderful persons in your surrounding, or when you have some persons, आमे कहि परिबा एभली गुरुत्वपूर्ण लोक जो तुम पाखरे अछंती, गोल्ड मेडल इज नॉट दैट मच worthy, एते मूल्यवान हेबो नाही सेते बेले जेते बेले तुम पाखरे से लोक मान अछंती जो माने तुमको सहाय्य करछंती. So you could melt down all the gold medals and cups I have, and they would not be plating on the 24 karat friendship. So it cannot alternate 24 karat friendship. कौन गोल्ड मेडल हो कि कप हो एंड सील हो, it will never alternate or it will never substitute 24 karat friendship. That means there is no such alternate called friendship. Friendship रो alternate किछि नाही. And एठी कहिचंती से friendship सामना रे से gold medal, से cup, से seal was not that much important. I felt for long jump at that moment. So I realized then too that Luz was the epitome, EPITOME, জ্বলন্ত উদাহরণ, was epitome of what Pierre de Coubertin, founder of the modern Olympic Games. Actually Pierre de Coubertin was the founder of the modern Olympic Games, and he started this event, and today we all took part in this event, and now Luz Long was the perfect example of this event, because winning medal is not that much important. Actually how you perform, how you struggle, how you face difficulties, how you perform, that is better. That is the event, that is Olympic. Olympic रो अर्थ होचे या जे only winning medal is not important. How you help someone, you might have seen in different Olympic events in the sprint round, तुम देखिथिबो रनिंग रे हो ये हो केतबेले गोटे गोटे एथलीट पड़ी जानती और तांको सहाय्य करिया पे आछंती तांकर साथी एथलीट्स. They never think of the medal. से मेडल विषय केवे चिंता करंती नै. Essential thing in life is not conquering but fighting well. It is said by the writer here, जितिबाटा सब बेले मायने रखि न थाए, how you fight that is counted. तुम किभली फाइट करछो that is counted. How you struggle, how face others, how you fight, तुम किभली फाइट करछो, तुम किभली परफॉर्मेंस करछो, that is important. And always winning medal is not that much important. Only thing it should be set in the mind, how do you perform. Taking part is very much and bigger thing and very essential. अंशग्रहण करिबा आउ किभली हम फाइट करिबा, किभली हम भाग नेबा, सेटा होची इंपोर्टेंट जिंसो, and that is not important whether you are going to win medal for your country or not. It is important that you will have to take part, you will have to defeat, you will have to struggle, you will have to fight. So in this way the topic is ended. So what do we learn from this topic? आमे कोन सिखिछु ए टॉपिक रो, that there is no such alternates called friendship. Friendship ro alternate kichi nahi. There is no alternate of friendship. It cannot be bought, it cannot be sold in the market. Market ରେ ବିକା ଯାଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ, କିଣା ଯାଇପାରିବ ନାହିଁ. And also we came to know that how the person just once regained his confidence. ତାଙ୍କର confidence କିଭଳି ଭାବରେ ପାଇଲେ, and how did he qualify into the main round, and how we came to know he was motivated by Luz Long, who was from German, and he was in fear of German ruler Adolf Hitler. But in real language we can say he was not in fear of Adolf Hitler. Actually Adolf Hitler was a leader of Nazi party. से नाजी दलर शासक थे, नाजी दलर लीडर थिले, and he dominated his country, and he wanted that all his athletes should win medal for his country, not other athletes he wanted. Only athletes jitantu boli he never expected. Only thing it was in his mind that only his country's athlete, or the athlete of his country, or athlete of his country is bound to win the medal. ସେମାନେ ହିଁ ଜିତିବା ପାଇଁ ବାଧ୍ୟ, ଅନ୍ୟମାନେ କେହି ଦେଖିବେ ନାହିଁ, and that is why all the athletes practiced under him. So ଏଭଳି ଭାବରେ the topic is ended. We will discuss later with a new chapter. So the real gold is the friendship the person just once created and established with Luz Long. That was known the real gold, and the gold medal that he won in the long jump was not the real gold. So the friendship that was created by just once was the real gold.